Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Merhaba, hello, I'm Seda. Welcome to turkishclass101.com. Today we'll talk about 5 most common adverbs of frequency. And here comes the first one. It's her zaman. Her zaman. All the time. Her zaman. Onur'la her zaman tartışıyorsunuz. Onur'la her zaman tartışıyorsunuz. You and Onur fight or argue all the time. The second one is Asla. It's never. Asla. Never. Asla boğazlı kazak giyemem. Asla boğazlı kazak giyemem. It is, I can never wear a turtleneck sweater. Actually, that's true. I can never wear turtlenecks. They're too tight for me. I feel like I'm suffocating. And the third one is, let me check. Bazan. Sometimes. Bazan. Bazan. Sometimes. Seni bazen kıskanıyorum. Seni bazen kıskanıyorum. I sometimes envy you. I don't know, you can say that to someone. Generally people think that, but don't say that, but you may say it. Okay, the fourth one, it's Nadiran. That's the sound we make actually. Nadiran. Nadiran. Rarely. Sabahları nadiren çay içerim. Sabahları nadiren çay içerim. I rarely drink tea in the morning. It's an interesting sentence actually, because we, the Turkish people, love our Turkish tea with the, tiny glasses of, we call them ince belli. It's like a narrow waist. It's funny, but the its shape is like a woman's body, so it's like ince belli, we call it. I think it's funny. Anyway, generally Turkish people drink Turkish tea in the morning, so this sentence is not very true to Turkish people, but some people drink coffee as well, or drink nothing. So the fifth one, the last one, is genellikle. Genellikle. Usually. Genellikle. Genellikle sabah erken kalkarım. Genellikle sabah erken kalkarım. I usually get up early in the morning. So that's true for me. I usually get up early in the morning, around 6:30 or 7. So I really like it. I'm one of the early risers. So that's it. What do you think about our most common adverbs of frequency? Please leave some comments below, and you can ask anything. See you guys. Bye.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.